Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A31 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can remove camera shortcuts and other shortcut in lock screen of your phone Samsung Galaxy A31. This is lock screen shortcut. If you directly swipe up here, it will open up camera and you can take pictures from lock screen itself. If you want to remove this shortcut, you can do it. Just go to the settings of your phone, go to settings here and click on lock screen. Click on lock screen and turn off this button shortcuts. Now you will not see any shortcuts like camera or call button on lock screen. They are removed. You can also replace the shortcuts with another one. For example, if you want to replace camera with another one, you can do it. Go to the same settings and click over shortcuts. Click over shortcuts and also you can use here floating button. Instead of button shortcuts, you can use floating type. This is floating type. If you touch here and then only you can open up the camera and call button. If you want to really replace it with another one, just you can replace, for example, left shortcut. In left it is already placed call button. Now I replaced it with Amazon. In right shortcut, click right shortcut and replace select anyone and that will be replaced with camera. Now put lock screen on the right side bottom. Google Play Store is there. Instead of camera, Google Play Store is replaced. That's all friends. Bye.